Once upon a time, in a small, colorful village, there lived a girl named Lily. Lily was very lazy. She didn't help her mother, and she always slept late. Her neighbors worked hard every day, plowing fields, cooking, and making clothes. One sunny morning, the village announced a big festival. Everyone needed to prepare food, decorations, and songs.
I will do nothing today. I am too tired. Oh, you want to play? Okay, I love you.
While Lily was sleeping under the tree, a little golden bird appeared. The bird said, "If you work today, magic will help you finish everything quickly."
That's it, dear. You're doing wonderfully.
It's so soft, Mommy.
Then she decorated the village square and organized the children's games. Everyone amazed. "Lily, you did so much in one day." At the festival, everyone celebrated happily. Lily learned that being lazy makes life difficult, but working hard brings joy and friends.